If I would like to edit the variety that was recorded to the field, simply select the field you would like to look at. Go up to the top where it says 2020 corn seeding. Ensure that you have the correct map selected. In this example, I can see there's a corn seeding on June 6th, which would be a replant, as well as a corn seeding on May 7th, which would be the original. If I would like to go into the first planted, select the actual variety, we can see the field was planted to all one variety. If we pull the legend over from the right-hand side, we can see it was 6579 VT2. That was incorrect. I can pull up the field information at the bottom of the page, scroll down to the very bottom, and select Edit Variety Name. I can then select a new variety if I wish to change. The varieties that are currently in my product manager list will be at the top, or you have the ability to enter a new variety and put in a custom name if it is not currently in your list. Select the variety you would wish to change to and select Confirm at the bottom of the page to complete the variety edit to the new variety. You also have the ability to go into the Analyze section. At the top, select your corn seeding operational summary. I can select a field and select the pencil button to complete the same edit screen. I also have the ability to go to the Varieties tab, select an individual variety. In this example, I'll choose one that was planted in more than one field. I can select the pencil button and notice at the bottom all 5 fields that had that variety originally planted in would all be changed if I selected a new variety. Another option could be to go to the filter on the right-hand side of the page, and you could filter by date. Go into varieties, select the pencil icon, and edit varieties as well.